Hi, welcome back. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time on what I eat in a day. So I'm still eating mainly carnivore, sometimes ketovore, but very meat heavy diet. And I'm doing meal one for today. So it's almost 11 in the morning. And I'm just doing 3 slices of the Kirkland low sodium bacon, because there's no sugar and no carbs in this bacon. I used to get the red label and there's a couple grams of sugar and carbs in there, so no big deal. I'm just doing 3 slices of bacon and I'm gonna do 3 scrambled eggs. I also wanted to show all of you, I'd be making just black tea as iced tea, just something a little bit different than always doing sparkling water. So I'll show you the bacon here. So there's the 3 slices of bacon. I just chop it up really small, as you can see, because then it cooks quicker, which is nice because I'm normally in a rush when I'm trying to make some sort of breakfast or lunch. So I'll also show you what I have out for my dinner for tonight. I've taken out 2 ribeye steaks, one's for my husband, one's for myself, so these are 12-ounce ribeye steaks. And then I have these little baby shrimp, which will probably clarify some butter and put it in butter, so that will be meal 2 for today. Okay, so I've cracked 3 eggs into my bowl, or it's actually a mug, and I'll just put a pinch of salt. I normally use Redmond's real salt, but this is Black Diamond kosher salt. And then when my eggs are done, I still use a splash of Frank's Red Hot because it's good. So I'll just whisk these up, and once my bacon is done, let's check that. Once my bacon is done, then I'll take that out and put my eggs in, and then we'll have a beautiful meal 1. I wanted to show everyone the iced tea that I'd be making now that the weather is getting a little bit warmer. I've just been brewing loose leaf black tea and then adding a couple slices of lemon. And then I have this, I think it's a 1-gallon mason jar. And that's it, just adding some lemon and black tea. And then it's on hand, which is nice. Typically, I just drink this Kirkland carbonated spring water, which is good. I was getting the San Pellegrino, but this is more affordable, and it's a little bit smaller bottles, which is nice. Okay, so the bacon's done. You can see it here. I've drained out some of the bacon fat, so maybe we're left with, I don't know, 2 teaspoons probably. And I'll just throw in my eggs. Turn down the heat a bit. So using the bacon fat, the eggs just absorb all of the bacon fat, make it a really flavorful scrambled egg, and filling as well, which is good. Oh, I wanted to show all of you, last night I made schnitzel, and this is the leftover schnitzel from last night. So I pounded out a couple pork chops really thin. You can see they're nice and thin here. And then I breaded it. So I put the pork chop in egg, and then I made pork panko breadcrumbs and then fried it in bacon fat and had that last night, which was really nice. Next time I make it, I'll make a video of that. Let's see how the eggs are doing. They should almost be done. Okay, so my eggs are sticking today. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to put this together and then I'll show all of you what it looks like. Okay, so there's meal number one. It's 10 after 11, and I'm going to sit down, eat that. That's 3 eggs, 3 slices of bacon, 3 eggs, scrambled, a little bit of Frank's red hot sauce, and then some Black Diamond salt, and my homemade iced tea, just loose leaf tea, brewed, and then kept cold in the fridge. So 2 12-ounce ribeye steaks for dinner, just about to put them on the grill, and I'll show you when they're all done. Okay, so I'm going to show you meal 2 for today. I did 2 ribeye steaks for myself and my husband. He has fries because he is not carnivore, but I will show you my 12-ounce steak. So there's the 12-ounce ribeye steak with a tablespoon of butter and lots of flaky sea salt, and then my husband's steak and fries. Well, hope you enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you next time. Thanks, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give me some ideas about what sort of recipes you'd like me to share. Thanks, everyone.